In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your domain ownership on Wix using Google Search Console. So, first things first, let's make sure we're all set up on the right path. Log into your Wix account and navigate to the dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side panel and find the option labeled SEO. Click on it, and this will guide you to a suite of SEO tools designed to optimize your site's performance in search engines. Now, you want to specifically connect your Wix site to Google Search Console, a fantastic tool offered by Google that gives you insights on how your website is performing in Google searches. To do this, look for an option that says Connect Google Search Console and click on it. At this point, you may be prompted to sign in to your Google account if you're not already logged in. Don't worry if this happens, just make sure it's an account connected to Google Search Console or has the necessary permissions to add a property like your Wix domain. With your Google account ready, you'll be directed to Google Search Console. Here, you'll need to verify that you actually own the domain you're trying to connect. This verification process is essential because it ensures that you're the rightful owner of the site and can access its data. Google offers several methods to verify domain ownership. For Wix users, the recommended approach often involves using a DNS-TXT record. Head over to your domain settings in your Wix account. You'll usually find this in the dashboard under the domain section. Locate the domain you want to verify and look for an option related to DNS records. Here you're going to add a new DNS-TXT record with details provided by Google Search Console. Copy the TXT record from Google Search Console and paste it into the appropriate field in your Wix domain settings. Be cautious not to change existing DNS records unless you're sure about what you're doing, as these records are crucial for your website's operation. After adding the TXT record, go back to Google Search Console and click the Verify button. This process might take a little time, so don't worry if you don't see results immediately. If all goes well, Google will confirm your domain ownership after a short period. In the meantime, feel free to explore other features of Google Search Console to become familiar with its interface and capabilities. And there you have it! You've successfully connected your Wix website to Google Search Console and verified your domain ownership.